When the market drops, crypto always seems to fall even harder.
Sometimes it's correlated to an exaggeration of the most speculative of the asset classes.
Crypto become more mainstream now.
It is increasingly mainstream for sure. The biggest thing we saw it react to was ease of use.
You got the power.
When the market drops, crypto always seems to fall even harder. Is there a connection here?
As an asset class, it hasn't been around long enough for us to say what it's correlated to. Sometimes it's correlated to risk on, and it runs in parallel with things like the NASDAQ 100, which is the highest of the risk on assets. You can draw a pretty tight correlation to that, and then it breaks apart from that. We went for weeks where the market was up, bonds were up, gold was up, and crypto was up. You knew something had to break, and crypto finally was one of the things that broke. Equities are having a bit of a rocky start. What's happening in the near term is just an exaggeration of the most speculative of the asset classes. Right now, you also have to look at Bitcoin and say, how much has it been up this year on a year-to-date basis? So what is a normal pullback? If the S&P 500 is up 50% and it pulls back 5%, that's normal. But then you have to stretch those numbers out for crypto because it's up so much more than the S&P 500. So a normal drawdown is going to look like what we're going through right now. If you are a real apostle of cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin in particular, you think it's this store of value, and any pullbacks are buying opportunities, which certainly has been true, but in a much more volatile fashion.
Do you see crypto become more mainstream now?
Yeah, so it is increasingly mainstream for sure. The biggest thing we saw it react to was ease of use. So when you got spot ETFs and anybody could buy it, and you didn't have to figure out a wallet or go to a crypto exchange or have cold storage and all those things, and two very large spot ETFs, I think that certainly helps.